Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Scare Month. And on today's video, we're going to be opening up 3 packs of the new Pokemon's Trick or Trade 2024 booster packs. Now, I know that there may not be any rare cards in these, but I am particularly looking for the Holo Gangar myself. So let's get into it. Yay! I didn't know how to start this video. So anyways, let's just start opening them. And let's start with this one. I know each one comes with 2 of these, and each of these has 3 cards in them. So I am particularly looking for the Holo Gangar. Let's see what we get. I don't want to ruin the cards opening either. I'm not sure if there's any rare ones. I was reading that there probably isn't any rare ones in these booster packs, which is fine, which is totally okay. Here we go. Shuppet. Oh, Holo Houndoom. Cool. And Duskull. I know in 2022, I think these particular booster packs had a rare Mewtwo in them, but I don't think these ones have that. Oh, nice. Yeah, so I don't know if we're going to get any, like, big hits in these, but it certainly is fun opening them up. I've noticed the hollow one's in the middle of these, so I'm going to flip a card. That's the hollow one I'm going to put at the end. Oh, Haunter. Fuck, I love the Haunters. Oh, nice. And, oh, okay, let's keep going here. That's the hollow. Fold out there. Oh, Ghastly. Cool. Oh, another one. And, oh, Holo Pikachu. That's awesome. Last pack. The last 6 cards. And, oh, cool. Okay. Last pack. Come on, Holo Gangar. I know you're in here. Let's go. Come on, Holo Gangar, and oh, no Holo Gangars, but still a pretty cool haul. I'll go through all these later and see how much they're worth and see if I can even sell them. But other than that, that was a pretty good haul. Thank you all for watching. Bye!